Tasks in Ontraport might sound like your typical to-do list at first, but there's a lot more than that. Tasks help you integrate manual steps into an otherwise automated process. This is really powerful because as great as automation is, there are definitely moments when the human touch is crucial. So, you automate what you can, but when it's time to get a team member involved, you use tasks to make it happen. For example, if someone requests a demo or a hot lead visits your pricing page, you'll want to jump right on that. And a task would be able to get someone involved personally at just the right moment. Or you might have approval steps in an internal process or applications to review or inventory to check. Really, it could be anything. Things get really powerful with tasks when you set up what we call task outcomes. That's how you hand a situation back off to the automated process after you're done. For example, let's say you task a rep to make 10 sales calls. Maybe 3 or 4 people are going to buy. Another 3 or 4 will be interested but not quite ready to pull the trigger. And the last few will want you to take a hike and never call them again. So, you can set things up so that when your team members complete a task, they're asked questions about what happened on that call. You set up the choices they can pick from. For example, those choices might be purchased, follow up later, and no interest. Then, depending on which outcome is selected for each task, you can kick off the appropriate next automated steps for each contact. So, once your rep makes their task outcome as purchased, for instance, you might kick off automation to add a customer tag to that contact and drop them into your onboarding funnel. When you get your mind around this, you'll start to see a million different uses for tasks and task outcomes. We use them for dozens and dozens of different processes here at Ontraport. Everything from billing issues to rollback requests to recruiting, onboardings, and so much more. If you wanted, you could even create a task for someone to buy donuts for your whole team. Excellent for morale. So, in the next few videos, I'll show you how to set up tasks so you never drop the ball on your offline to-do list. Let's get started. In Ontraport, tasks are always associated with a contact or other record in the CRM. Let's start with the basic stuff. You can always create new tasks manually in Ontraport, just like any CRM. Just click on a contact and add a task here. All you have to do is add your details, assign it, and pick a due date. Boom, you're done. We call these quick tasks. You can create them on the fly whenever you're looking at a contact, whether that's in quick view, detail view, or on the mobile app. So that's cool, but the real magic starts when you build automation around your task in Ontraport. With automations, you can assign tasks to be completed at just the right moment, or you can trigger other events to occur as soon as tasks are marked as complete. But for now, all you have to know is that tasks exist. They're a game changer for your workflow, and they're going to blow your mind once you start playing around with them. I'll cover all the fancy details in the rest of this section on tasks. So, now that you know how tasks work, let's move on to the next few videos on tasks, creating task templates, assigning and completing tasks, and automating what happens next.